Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3s to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 9 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 9. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. 2s squared s squared ds we change by du over number 9. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to cosine u. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine u du. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put negative go to the left. This one we have t squared sine u du, we change by negative dt. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt, we have t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. This one we have number 3. This one we have number 3. Number 9 and number 3 we have 27. About t, that is about cosine u. About u, that is about 3s to the power of 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.